with the agents here, it is a little bit hard to see the individuals. In this case, it might make more sense for it to be, over 100,000. Maybe you raise that to be over. Um, in this case, we're not using a point in time, right? So maybe you raise it to be 5 million, and then you show right just this portion. Um, so we can go ahead and try that real quick and see what it looks like. Give me a second. Now, for the presentations, I found that you could just open up a new page within the presentation. For the publications, I find that it is actually useful to kind of create a new one. I selected rainbow. On the next one, I'll select a different theme, and then we can see how the backdrop right is being affected or changed based on that as well. All right. So we put in, it's the same prompt as last time, but this time I'm going to make a change, right? So instead of the 100,000, why don't we make it, I guess, 1 million? Or no, I think we talked about 5 million. Let's go to 5 and see what it looks like. Previously in the dashboards, we, defined a top 15 or top 20. That is another approach that we can take if that does seem to work better. I'm just interested to see as far as kind of raising the minimum here, if that has an effect as well. So we'll go ahead and run it and see what it looks like. And again, the same backdrop, right? It does allow you to go in and change as far as our agents with high written premium. And then the title itself, I think we'd have to go down into the content or the cover. Yeah, and that's where we would actually update the title. So you are able to modify and change. It just depends on the layer that you're looking at.